Hey, this is Nate with Valley RV Supercenter. Just wanted to show you our 25 RV Jay Feather here. This is going to be about a 30-foot tip-to-toe travel trailer. We're looking at about 6,200 feet. One of the special things about this one here is what a lot of people complain about with trailers is you're going to get a massive bathroom, and it's going to be on the opposite end of the bedroom. Plenty of space to walk around. The shower is an upgraded size compared to most. If I stand inside here, I'm 6'1", and with the skylight here, I have plenty of space. It's a firm bottom here. 2x4s make that easy. You don't sink in. Come through here, you're gonna have your TV, your fireplace with your theater seats, and your dining area. This makes watching entertainment while you're camping on a rainy day a whole lot better. This can be a sleeping area as well where the dinette is. These reclining chairs will actually pull out extremely far. I can almost lay completely flat on this. This is me watching football on a Sunday, almost falling asleep. Then come to the kitchen, plenty of counter space. The upgraded stovetop here with 3 burners. Most you're going to find 2. You will have an oven here as well with your microwave, full-size fridge and freezer. Lots of storage, as you can see, through the cabinets below and above. Come back here to the bedroom. You're going to see your queen-size bed here. You're going to have a TV wall mount sticker up there. You'll have a sliding door as well. If you want to close the door at night, you have children, have a little bit of separation when it's time to end the day. But yeah, if you have any questions, want to get in contact with me, my name is Nate Weeldreyer. My phone number is 253-737-2082.